In this video, I'll show how to quickly, easily, and very inexpensively prepare and submit an SEC Form 8K to EDGAR, including the cover Page Inline XBRL, by simply uploading your Word document and filling in an online form at our self-service website. You don't need any knowledge of inline XBRL or XBRL tagging. The web service takes care of all that automatically. First, prepare the body of the 8K as a Word document. Don't bother about the cover page. That will be prepared automatically by the web service. Then, go to the web page, web.acii.com/8k.htm, upload your Word document, and fill in the form on that page. Now, click Free Preview to see how the prepared 8K will appear on EDGAR. Note that the web service has prepared the cover sheet, including inline XBRL, which you can examine. Once satisfied, enter your credit card payment and filing submission details into our secure form. Then click Pay and download filing. Save the downloaded zip file on your computer and extract its contents. These are the files to be submitted to EDGAR. By the way, if your 8K filing includes exhibits, like a press release, material agreements, etc., you can EDGARize those documents at the links in this web page, and then include the EDGARized files as attachments to your 8K. Now, go to the EDGAR Filer Management website and log in using your EDGAR credentials. Select EDGAR Link Online. Then Form 8K. Enter your filing information. Attach the documents produced by the web service. And submit the filing. That's it, you're done. It's really as simple as that. Advanced Computer Innovations has been providing quality and cost-effective solutions to SEC EDGAR filers since 1993. If you have any questions, please connect with us at any of these contact points.